Welcome. George Gillis Jr. here. How are y'all today? Doing just fine right here at home. And I thought I'd shoot this quick video to say thank you and welcome to the free income machine system. Now, you've already opted in to get your free system. I'm grateful for that because that helps us build a team of what we're going to do with this system. As you grow through the steps in your members area, it will allow you to create multiple income streams where you are going to give away free programs that's going to make you money. Now, we've heard all the schemes and riches and get rich schemes, and everything seems to, just fall apart. I failed too, the same way when I became an affiliate marketer and a network marketer and an entrepreneur online. I've been doing this for 5 years, and I finally found a system that actually works. This one I found didn't cost anything except for the upgrades. And I took the upgrades because I know the system had the potential to make money. Now you can do this right from home, working from home. Only takes 10 minutes a day to really get things rolling. All you have to do is set it up, get your affiliate link, and drive traffic to that affiliate link. Now, what you're going to get now is that I'm going to send you over to a video, and I want you to see this video because it's really controversial. It'll change your mind, it'll change your heart, it'll change your lifestyle, just like it did for us, me and my family. Thank God for this system, and we love y'all very much, and that each and every one of we look forward to working with you. If you have any problems or run into any situation where you need the help, just reach out and touch me. My contact information and all of that stuff will be on the website. You can touch me at Facebook and connect with me on Messenger, and we'll show you how it's done. And we do again thank you and welcome you to the free income system created by George Gillis Jr. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.